Alright, boys and girls, if you ever had a problem where your toilet keeps on leaking or keeps on filling, well, today we're going to show you how to do it. And it's so easy, a 6-year-old can do it.
Daddy.
This 6-year-old can do it. He's Pierce and he's 6, and he's going to show you how to fix that toilet with that box. It's an all-in-one Fluid Master 2-inch, easy to install, all-in-one repair kit for a toilet.
And my slime.
And there's Bailey Brooke Williams with her slime. So
Hey, my phone didn't touch.
let's get started. Alright, the first thing you got to do is to turn off your
My
water.
toilet didn't flush.
Alright, Pierce, turn off your water valve right here. Come here. The water valve's right here. Turn it off. All you got to do is just unscrew it and turn it off. There you go. Turn it this way.
This way.
Right, yeah. Is
I'm
it going?
here.
Alright, now that we got the water shut off, what we do next is take the lid off. And if you notice, there's still a lot of water in it. So Pierce, mash the button and hold it down. What you want to do is drain the entire toilet. And it appears we haven't got the water cut off yet. Let me cut it off. Alright, we got the water cut off. So now what we do, boys and girls, you got to let it drain. If you notice, there's still water down in it. The easiest way to do it is shop vac it out. However, I can't find my shop vac right now. So Pierce, put that in there and get the water out of it. Put it down in there and stuff it down in there and see if you can get as much water out of it as you can.
Is it really broke?
Yeah. Alright.
How's it broke?
Just broke. Alright. I didn't get all the water. Let's see. Get some more water here. Alright. So the next step is we've got to take the bowl completely off. And the way to do that, well, first we've got to unhook the water line. So right here is a nut. See that nut right there, Pierce? You got to get this nut right here and undo it right there. When you do that, there's going to be some water come out because I didn't have my shop bag. Alright, so unscrew that nut right there, Pierce.
Right here?
Yeah, just unscrew it this way. Yeah, unscrew it. Come here. Let me see. So unscrew. Come here, look in there. See that little nut, that little white nut right there? Unscrew it. The other way. There you go. Alright, you got it? Alright, so we got the water line unhooked. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that thing right here off. So, alright, Pierce, there's another screw right up underneath here. There's another screw right there. And all you got to do is unscrew that. Alright, unscrew it, Pierce. Other way. There you go. Take it all the way off. You getting it?
It's hard.
Let's see if I can help you a little bit. There we go. You got it on there. Just twirl it around. There you go. Alright, so you got it. Alright, come here. Alright, next thing you do, grab that and pull it up, dude. Oh, look at there. Come right up, didn't it? Alright, so we got the first part off. That's the easy one. Alright, so we're going to take the... Let's see. I'm going to take this off now.
It's not here, it's not off.
On there? Okay. So what we're going to do now is, you see there's two bolts that holds this tank on. The problem with mine is that the fin right here is broke. It doesn't have the, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little tab right there. And this side is broke. So we've got to get this off. In order to get that off, Pierce, we're going to have to remove that screw there and that screw there, which is accessible underneath the toilet. Alright, so come here. There's another nut right in here. Luckily, I've already got a wrench that will fit it.
I got it right here.
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's put this wrench in there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Let me get it.
Alright, you know how to get it? You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Alright, stick it on there and unravel it off. You can do it. Let me get this. You got it? It's a long threaded screw, so it may take a while for you to unscrew it off. I'm gonna put this on pause while we get it off. Alright, so we got the first one off. So all you gotta do now, see where it's gone? All you gotta do is go back to the other one and take that bolt out right there. So let's take that bolt out there, Pierce. Going up underneath there on the other side. Take that second bolt out for me.
There's one.
Yep, just stick your wrench up in there. Alright, boys and girls, while he's doing that, we're gonna pause it for just a minute so he can unscrew the bolt. You get it? You coming? So all he's doing is just unscrewing the little nut that's on the bottom of this right here. I'm gonna hold it for him a little bit so it won't turn on him. You get it, bud?
I was doing it this way.
Can I have this one?
Let's see.
Here, can I have this one?
No!
You almost got it, dude.
I'll trade you for a slime.
Pierce, you're almost done here, bud. Alright, come here. It's almost at the end.
No.
You get it? Which way you turning? Let me see.
This way.
Alright, it's almost done, dude. You almost got it off.
Got these off.
You got it? That's what you need right there. So he got what it's off, and all you gotta do is just pull it out. So that's out. That's what you're taking off. Alright, next step. Hold this for me, bud. You just pick the toilet lid up off of it. And there we go. It's easy as that. Alright, so on the back end of this, what we got to take off now is this tube right here. We got to take that tube off. And to
What,
access,
this too?
yeah, that tube right there. That's what we got to take off. So, alright, hold this. Let me flip it.
One of them broke.
So all you got to do is flip it on its end right here. And there's a big nut right here. Take the washer off. Alright, come here. I'm going to let you do it. Take that washer off right there. Alright, now, see if you can, might be tight. Let me just go get us a wrench real quick. Alright, so what we're going to do is unloosen that nut right there. So see if you can unloosen that nut.
Where?
This big white nut right here. See if you can turn it off. There you go. You might have a little bit of water dribble off of it, but all you got to do is just unscrew it off. Grab this thing, just twirl it in the back. Right, do it again. Keep on. Alright, once you get this screw off, all you got to do is just, alright, reach around in there and pull the tube out. There it goes. Alright, so now what we're going to do is, Pierce, open that box up. Open that box right there and see if you can get the parts out of it. Basically, we're just going to reverse what we just did. Can I help you? Alright, there you go. Just start pulling stuff out. can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot, either one. Alright, so that's the piece we just took out, right? That's the piece we got to put back on. So take the little gasket off the bottom of it.
This?
Yeah, just pull that off. It should come off. Yeah, pull it. You can get it. There you go. Now unscrew the little white thing off of it. The little nut. Unscrew that back off of it. That way. Look like there might be a crack in my toilet right there. Huh, I had to check that. Alright, something's been going on there. Alright. So anyway, let's put that in there and put that little black thing to the back of the hole right here. You put it in the hole? Alright, there you go. Alright, I'm going to hold it for you while you screw the little nut on there, okay? Alright, I got it. So, take your white nut and put back on there for
I
you.
can't get out.
Alright. So all you gotta do is just...
Where's the white nut?
Where's the... There it is, right there. Alright, so screw that back on.
Right, this?
Mm-hmm. Alright, before you tighten her up, before you get it real tight, got it? Alright, so before you get it real tight, let's turn it back up. Alright, so I actually want this thing turned back this way. There we go. Kind of like that.
How are we going to get this
Turn it
off?
to the back. We'll get it off in just a minute. Alright, so let's hold this and let me get a wrench to it real quick. It just needs a little bit of extra turn there with a wrench just to get it kind of snug in there. You don't want to tighten it, over tighten it, but kind of tighten it just a little bit so the water won't leak. Alright. Alright, so hold this while I flip the toilet back over. So all we got to do now is put the tank back on the toilet. Wait a minute. Oh, got one more thing. We'll put that gasket on the bottom.
I know.
Oh, you almost let me forget that, Pierce. You got it? Yeah, I do believe there's a crack in that thing right there. That's another video there. Alright, so we're going to flip this thing back over and put it back where we got it at. Alright, so now there should be a pack of screws in here somewhere. There they are. Alright.
Okay.
Let's open those up, buddy. Let me help you open them?
That's easy.
Alright.
It's opened already.
Alright. Pull it. Let me show you an easy way of doing it. Let me show you an real easy way of doing it. Come here, let me show you. Grab one of these bolts right here, hold it on the end, and poke it through. Just like that. Now pull them out. They should pull right on out. Alright, so let's get the other stuff that's in there. Alright, dump it all right there. Alright, so these are our gaskets. So we're going to put one of those gaskets right here on that right there.
Like this?
Push it out. It might be a little hard, but push it down on there. Push it all the way to the bottom. Alright, now what you do with that is put that in that hole that we took that on out of. Put it right there in that hole. Let's see if I got it lined up. I don't know if I got it lined up or not.
Right here?
Yeah, see if you can poke it down in there. Let go. Let's see. We'll wiggle it around. What it's going to do. Let's see. I'll hold this for just a second. See if I can find a hole in it. Alright, there we go. Alright, so we got that one on. Alright, take the other gasket. Put a gasket on that.
Whatever one you feel like taking.
Yeah, you can take any one of them, that's right. Don't really
I
matter.
want to take this one.
I'll put that one on there right now. We're going to get out in just a minute. Push that on down in there. Alright, now put that back in the other hole. Right there. Got it? All right, good job, dude. All right, so what we're gonna do now, let's see how many more of these we got. 2. All right, so take this one and put it on the bottom. What we're gonna do is we're gonna, give me that screw right there. He's gonna reach underneath there and he's gonna put that on the bottom of those screws he just put on. So I'm gonna let him do that. So I'm gonna put that on the bottom of that screw that's on the bottom of there. Just like you know, the easiest way to do it is just hold the bolt and slide it on from the bottom. So I'm gonna pause this video while he does it. Alright, so you just got doing that and we gotta repeat it on the other side. So put that one on the other one. Easy peasy, right Pierce?
Yeah.
Alright, you're doing an awesome job. The easiest way is just hold it down and have him push it up on there.
Got it.
You got it? Cool. Alright, so what we're going to do next is these little washers go on here. Now this is going to be tricky because you got to put that on and the nut on at the same time. So basically you put that on and then try to thread that on to the bottom. So while he's doing that, we're going to pause the video again because it may take a couple.
Right here?
Yep, we'll do that one first. It don't matter.
Which one?
That's
This
fine.
one?
Yeah, that's fine. Put it on there. Put the little round washer on first and then the nut.
4 Pierce.
Alright, you got it going? Alright, so just snug it up. You ain't got to get it real tight. Just get it to where you got it to where it's at the end or at the top. Alright, let's do the other one. So you need one more of these, one of these. You want one of these and one of these. So you got to do it on the other side. So we're going to pause this video while he does that again. I'm going to let you do it, buddy. If you
Right
want.
here?
Yep, same thing, dude. Put it on that.
Right here? Ha 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 ha.
You did the same thing you did on the other side. Boy, I'm telling you, you being a good worker here. You know that? A lot of people can't do this, Pierce. Mr. Mike don't know how to do it. He asked me how to do it.
Huh?
Mr. Mike, he don't know how to do this. He asked me to do his the other day. And from what Chalmers Williams told me, he had to do Craig Phillips. So if Craig Phillips is watching, dude, you letting a 6-year-old school you, buddy. So what happens when he gets these kind of finger tight, you take a little wrench or something and just kind of snug down on them just a little bit, not too tight. And what happens, it brings that gasket that's at the bottom of this, it matches it up with the bottom of your toilet, and it keeps the water from coming out. So it doesn't have to be really tight, but you know, you kind of get it snug up with your fingers like that, and then kind of put a wrench on it and just wrench down on it just a little bit. So I'm gonna wrench down on. I'm gonna let Pierce wrench down on it just a little bit to get a little more snug, and I'll be right back with you.